Welcome to Happy Fasting Fun. Today, we're embarking on a journey that combines the health benefits of intermittent fasting with sustainable hydration practices. Let's delve into the world of intermittent fasting and sustainable hydration practices. Intermittent fasting offers a structured approach to eating, allowing for periods of fasting and eating within designated windows. As we explore this fasting method, we'll also discover how to stay hydrated in an eco-friendly way, ensuring that our well-being extends to the planet. During fasting hours, it's crucial to stay hydrated, but we can do so mindfully by choosing sustainable options. Opt for a reusable water bottle made from materials like stainless steel or glass. By avoiding single-use plastic bottles, you're not only reducing plastic waste, but also minimizing the environmental impact of production and disposal. Hydration can go beyond water. Herbal teas and infused water with slices of fruits and herbs are delightful alternatives. They not only provide hydration, but also offer flavor and nutrients without any added sugars or artificial ingredients. Plus, you can create your own personalized blends, reducing the need for individually packaged tea bags. When your eating window arrives, consider consuming hydrating foods. Fresh fruits and vegetables with high water content, such as cucumbers, watermelon, oranges, and celery, are not only nutritious, but also contribute to your hydration needs. Choosing locally sourced produce also supports sustainable farming practices and reduces the carbon footprint associated with transportation. One interesting sustainable hydration practice is rainwater harvesting. If you have access to a garden or outdoor space, consider setting up a rainwater collection system. This harvested rainwater can be used for watering plants, which is both eco-friendly and helps conserve treated tap water. As you break your fast, you might be inclined to reach for electrolyte-rich drinks. Instead of sugary sports drinks that come in plastic bottles, explore natural alternatives. Coconut water is a fantastic source of electrolytes and comes in eco-friendly packaging options. You can also make your own electrolyte drinks by mixing water with a pinch of sea salt and a splash of lemon juice. Eco-friendly hydration practices also extend to your kitchen. Use a water filter to purify tap water instead of buying bottled water. This reduces the demand for single-use plastic bottles and minimizes waste. Additionally, consider composting fruit peels and tea leaves instead of disposing of them in the trash. This simple act contributes to reducing landfill waste and enriches the soil. Remember, staying hydrated during intermittent fasting is essential for your well-being. By incorporating sustainable hydration practices, you're making conscious choices that benefit both your health and the environment. Every decision, no matter how small, contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Happy Fasting Fun. As you embrace intermittent fasting and adopt sustainable hydration practices, you're engaging in a holistic approach to self-care that resonates with the well-being of our planet. Let's continue to explore how our choices can create a positive impact on ourselves and the world around us.